What's up, y'all? It's your boy DtaeNoDinero. We back at it again with another reaction, man. Today we're gonna be reacting to Ballislife, cause ball is life, and if ball not life, then go get a life, or go get a ball, or something along those lines. But anyway, we got White Iverson, Slim Reaper, Julian Newman, Clamp God, Ty, and they in Ohio. Shout out to the O, but I don't know what they talking about. They about to be doing in Ohio, making like they was killing somebody on a court in Ohio, but I'm not there, so you didn't have the best. But let's get into it, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Let's see what they got going on right here, because I love watching me some highlights, man. Let's get it. Hold on. At the gates. Let's get it. Hey, come here. Let's get it. I mean, that dunk keep playing, though, but okay, let's see what Julian talking about. Let's see what they got going on, man. Hold on now, off one leg. That's tough. That's tough. Yeah, oh, he really got bunnies, bro, but you missed that dunk, my boy. You missed that dunk, my boy. Come on, man. That's like a layup to tall fellas, but you can't be out here missing stuff like that. Let's get it. What they got going on? He thirsty. You see him jumping around? He thirsty to start hooping. On my mom, that's how I be sometimes. I ain't gonna cap. It's the big man game. Got the big fellas out there. Hold on. Off 1 foot. Let's get it. That's deep. Ooh. Oh, look at White Iverson. Let's get it. Hold on. He got game to be a white boy. I ain't gonna cap to you. Come here. We crossed in. From deep. Well, I tell y'all on the one video, man, you ever see somebody with that kind of hairstyle, do not guard them. They on demon time. Oh, hold on. That was the Michael Jordan move. Hit it with the old school. Come here. Now, who was that? Big boy? He popped out with a straight milk dud head. Hey, let's get it. Again, off 1 foot. He's showing out. Man, if they don't get that milk dud off the screen, bro, I might just have to grab that, you feel me? What he got, like 6, 9 points? They call him, yeah, he got like 9 points. Okay then, Julian, okay. Hold on. They trippy out there. That's why y'all losing. Y'all ain't got no chemistry. Come here. Yeah, I ain't gonna catch y'all. You don't get me. Julian Newman from, hold on, they from Ohio? Or is Ball, hold on, I'm trying to figure out. Somebody tell me in the comments, man, is Ballislife, did that originate in Ohio, or is Julian Newman from Ohio? Because they own different teams. You feel me? At least Slim Reaper and Julian Newman is. And they talking about this shut down Ohio, so I don't know. I don't know where you from. Yeah, he a baby. I ain't gonna capture you. What? They cutting up. Why you just didn't go up? Come on, bro. I ain't gonna capture you. I think they just got you out here because you got a name. A little name or something like that. But I don't think that was sweet, bro. My man got a little jumper on him. Yeah, he coming down, strapping them up. You feel me? Trey ball. Hey, come here. Don't get your ankles broke. I know he not hooping in the Jubilees. Hey, let's get it. Buddy can shoot, man. He got like 15 points right now. Why they got him guarding White Iverson, bro? That is easy. That is easy. $25, $22. They must have let them come back or something. But no, old boy was dropping a lot of. He made a lot of shots. He nice. I'll give it to him. There you go, pull up. Get some. Oh, he is trash. I don't care what nobody said. That man is trash, bro. His sister might be better than him. Took too long to get. Get a buck then. It took too long to get there though, for real. Y'all about to say don't get dunked on. Don't get dunked on. Oh, hold on. Man, look at this referee, bro. What the fuck is going on? What in the Lil Nas X is going on right now, bro? Stop playing with me, bro. Man, what the fuck is going on, man? Who convinced him to wear that shit? This nigga really probably was in the mirror looking at it, so like, yeah, he's the one today. Like, man, he trippy. White boy. Get a buck then. Jimmer for that. Now, that ain't Jimmer for them, just saying, though. I call all the white boys that when they really can hoop. Because Jimmer for that was taken off when he played with BYU. You got to know. If you don't know, you better go look him up. Score, okay. So, it's home, Ohio. Hey, Dean Dimer. That's what I'm talking about. Put on there. Got one leg, little 3-point line in the game. It's tough. And my man's missing bunnies. So all motherfuckers can just get off anything. I swear to God, they ain't even gotta try. They could just literally just. Okay then, Jimmer for that. Oh, hold on. Got him on skates. Come here. Ooh. Yeah, he really got them bunnies, man. In real life, he really coming like that. He really coming like that. On my soul. Ooh, he playing. He's gonna go crazy with that windmill. On my soul, the windmill that motherfucker was like. Oh, come here, Snatchies. Oh, I thought that was it. Why you not dunking, bro? I just think that's just mad corny, bro. To be that tall, consider yourself a hooper, and you're not taking advantage of that, bro. It's like me being quick on the court, not taking advantage of my speed, bro. I'm not good. Big fella with a 3, knockdown. I feel you. I'm glad they took that little weak ass dude, Julian Newman, out. That motherfucker trash. Hold on, what just happened? Did you get an N1 or something? I ain't keeping that. Let me stop talking. Hey, finally you got a little alley off. Fuck you scared to hit your head on the rim? See, if I was out there guard White Iverson, I would already know that he likes going to that side. He likes going to that right side of the wing, bro. Peep it. Peep. Let's peep. Let's just watch. See me do it again. Come here, stupid. Showtime. Hey. God, I wish you had blessed me with like at least 6 foot. I'd be dunking on everything. And one. Buddy's a hooper. What's his name? Put his name in it. They should have put his name in the title. I feel like dunks from tall people just don't look sweet. Dunks from people like 6 foot or something like that, that looks sweet because you're actually raising off the ground. Do something when you dunk, bro. You 6'6" with a wingspan of like 6'8", 7 foot. That looked it cool. That dunk looked it cool. When you tall like dude, like 6'8", 6'9", them dunks are trash, bro. It looks like a layup. I hate that, bro. That was a cool, alright dunk. You gotta flush that. Make them feel that. What's the score? $71-64. Home, okay. Home is Ohio. Ohio is home. You just gotta seal the deal. Big fellas coming down shooting threes. It's not sealing them. They done turned them up now. He didn't even jump when he shot that. Oh, that's why they won. They letting the big fella shoot all the threes. Y'all sleeping on the defense, man. He might as well just lay the ball up, bro. I'm just tired of seeing him dunk, bro. That looked like he didn't even dunk it. I feel like he missed that. In mine, he missed it. That wasn't a point. Non-hoopers. They hype off a layup. He's trash. Get him out the camera, please, immediately. Or they put Iverson back in there, and this is where it goes, probably goes sour. Buddy can hoop. I don't think we seen him miss yet. Hey. Big fella can shoot. He ain't missed yet, bro. This percentile is perfect right now. He ain't got a bucket yet. Maybe he about to get one right now. Let's see. Okay. Still trash. Bro, that's a dunk when you that tall, bro. That's a dunk. The other dude, I don't know. Next time they go to Ohio or something like that, man, go to Toledo, man. I don't think y'all gonna get no better than that, bro. Toledo got some real hoopers, bro. I know a couple of them people, some cats that's gonna get them a run for their money and expose all of that. I ain't even about to be a hater. Let me shut up. He's trash, bro. Oh my God, bro. He can't be from Ohio, bro. That man from Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh. He's from New York or something. $108 to like 94. Was that what it said? This was an intense game for it to be like a little high school game or something. 108. Finally, you did something right and threw it alley. You ass as fuck. I don't fuck nobody talking about that motherfucker trash. So who won? Why the title would say shuts down Ohio? It look like Ohio won. Oh, okay, this will be fourth quarter. Okay, up by 4, 12, 16 points. He was too worried about dancing. He should have been took the shot, bro. That's probably why you probably didn't play college or professional ball now, bro. It's too much dancing, bro. That man's can dunk. Okay. Sucks. feel like they only showing his highlights to show that he really trash. They don't want. They ain't gonna call that foul. If they come back in 4 minutes, it's because Julian Newman. That's it. I just feel like they're gonna come back. They come back, it's for him. I'm really. I haven't watched this video before, y'all. I swear. If they come back from this deficit and win, it's because Julian Newman. But this man is the worst player on that whole bench, bro. He's trash. They down 7 points. Oh my God, why would you miss that, bro? Oh, okay. Okay. He missed his dunk too, so I don't know what's going on right now. Apparently this must be some sort of like show out time to look sweet. That was the end of everything. That was a good game to watch. I liked it overall in general. Julian Newman. I think I'm pronouncing your name right. Yeah, it's Julian Newman. Bro, you're probably one of the worst known basketball players I've seen on the internet, bro. You're trash, bro. You ain't do nothing. The whole 4 quarters, you didn't do anything, Brody. And kept to you, my boy. Trash. Y'all don't know who Julian Newman is. Maybe I'm giving him too much clout right now. Y'all might have to go look him up. But go look him up. Apparently he's somebody. But anyways, White Iverson, you did your thing, my boy. Captain, you put on for all the white boys out there that look open. Slim Reaper comes through with the fancy dunks. I love it. You feel me? I love it. I don't know who Clamp God is. I don't know who T.Y. is, Ty, whatever you want to call yourself. But Ballislife, don't lie again in y'all title no more. Y'all didn't shut down Ohio unless y'all talking about like you sold out all the tickets to the event, maybe. But shut down Ohio, man. Look like Ohio shut y'all down, man. Y'all lost. But it was a good game, man. It's your boy DtaeNoDinero, man. Keep up, man. Y'all know I'm coming back with the back to back reactions. Let's get it.